you got the right equipment, that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.
You demoing? How's it going?
What's up, my man?
Yeah, man. Got it looking good. What you running here?
Well, I got a Singer 320 under the hood, Liberty Bass Shop wire through it, 315 Customs doodads. I got 4 NSB 6 15s running at half ohm on 2 Sol 8Ks, and I got 16 LCMR 6.5 Sundowns, 4 BPS 8s. Pretty much doing my highs and stuff. And that's about it. I got 90 amp hour C-Max, Pappy built box, and Steve Sorrentino wired it all up. This is his creation.
You got a lot of in there.
Well, I got to get my plugs in where I can, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, you're right. You got to do it.
Let's see what... Let's try. Yeah, let's try to get you something.
Still rolling? Yeah, it's still rolling. Subscribe to this man's YouTube page, all right? You hear me? Ryan Show, appreciate it, man. Tell me.
And you got the right equipment, that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.